Alright, now let's talk a bit about fences and hedges. Why don't we draw a hedge in along the far side of our property. Go to the Landscape tab, click on Hedge, and then just to keep it straight, I'm going to use the Snap tool, and I'm just going to draw a line right from the front of the property to the back of the property. Right click, and once I've right clicked, my hedge is into place. And as you can see, I've got a nice arborvitae trimmed hedge into place. Curved hedges are also possible, just as easy as doing the straight ones. Now let's talk about a fence perhaps on the back of the property here. We'll go over to Building, and we'll go and click on Fence. With fence, again, you're better off to work into Plan View, and we're going to start here with our fence, come down with our fence from here, and all the way across here, and then we're going to join up with the house at this point here. We're going to right click and go back to perspective and have a look at what we have. We've got a fence which has also made some accommodations for the grade here, and we've come across our walkway here, so we're going to need a gate. Go to the gate panel, and fence gate rather, and click on a style that you like, and I'm kind of partial to gate number 7, and we'll just go to put that right over the walkway. And if you notice, it's not quite wide enough. We'll just widen it up a bit, and the posts and everything are totally adjusted on their own. We're going to take the Snap tool off, and then I can position it a little bit better, a little more precisely on the walkway. And we can also make this a little attractive. We can open up the gate with this little button here. One of the things with fencing, you can switch sides that the boards are on just with a click of the mouse. And there are a whole advanced menu, again similar to the decking material, that you can use for the fencing. Very, very versatile tool.